Who's better, Jamaica or Africa?
Africa.
Yes! Suck that!
Food, everything, music.
Jamaica! I'm joking, Africa. Yes! Mother Africa!
Hold on. Reggie, you see what I'm up on my hip? Look like this. You see what I'm up on my hip? Who's better, Jamaica or Africa?
Jamaica, man.
Big up yourself. You see? Jamaica straight. You see?
You know what?
But I love my Africa, though. Don't worry.
No.
Yeah, man. We love Africa. Who's better, Jamaica or Africa?
Jamaica.
You're African. You are demoted. He's a fake African. He's a fake African. This one, Africa or Jamaica?
Africa.
Yes!
I will take it off right now. Africa.
Yes!
No.
Yes!
No, you see what I'm up on my hip?
Yes! Africa or Jamaica?
Africa.
Yes! Yes! We are African, bro. Yes! Africa. Oh, Africa. Tamina, waka.
What's up, guys? How are you doing today? I'm hoping you're well wherever you are. I'm also doing fine. My name is Robi Masaga, for those who don't know me, and you're most welcome to my channel if you're new here. Yeah. Now, today I want us to talk about that particular video that you've just watched. I saw it earlier on my TikTok and I thought, why not? Let's discuss about it, because the guy was trying to compare between Africa and Jamaica. Yeah. And before I even get to answer that question that he was asking, let me just remind you guys that Africa is a continent and Jamaica is a country. Jamaica originally came from Africa. They originated from countries like Ghana, Nigeria, and Central Africa. Yeah. So comparing the two is next to impossible. Why? Because Africa is a continent. Jamaica is just a single country. Yeah. And Jamaica is not in Africa. Jamaica is in North America. So it's impossible to compare the two. Yeah.
Can you name 5 countries in Africa?
Jamaica.
Jamaica is not in Africa, bro.
Is it not?
One thing for sure, Jamaica is in Africa. I don't care what the geographers say, because do you know how much that scarred me when I was 10? Do you understand? I'm sorry.
To answer what the guy had asked, I will say that you cannot compare the two. Why? Because Jamaica is just a country and Africa is a continent with 56 countries. So there's no way you can compare 56 countries to one country. Yeah. And also another thing is Jamaica is part of us. Part of us, why? Because we are connected. Spiritually, we are connected. Blood-wise, we are also connected. Why? Because Jamaica originated from Africa. Yeah, they came, like I said, they came from Ghana, Nigeria, and some parts of Africa.
You will never find a Jamaican who is fully blooded Ghanaian. You will never find a Jamaican who has only Ghanaian DNA in his system. Saying we are a mixture of different West African countries. Ghana, Cameroon, Congo, Mali, Nigeria, etc. Saying, yeah, when they were capturing black people in West Africa, saying, they didn't just take them from one country, they took them from all over. You see me? Yeah.
Jamaica is like a family member who traveled abroad and is yet to return. Yeah. And when a family member travels, it does not mean that you're no longer part of that person or you're not connected anymore. No, it only means that you're separated by distance, proximity. Yeah. Yeah. So Jamaica is part of us. Jamaica is our brother. Jamaica is our sister, but we are separated by distance. But we are one. Spiritually we are connected. Blood-wise we are connected. So it's unfair comparing these two, because it's like comparing siblings. You want to know who's better than the other. Yeah. Jamaica is attractive. It's an island, and it's a tourist attraction because they do have beaches, they have waterfalls, they have natural woods. Yeah, these are things that anyone would love to travel and experience. The fact that it's an island, only that is a tourist attraction. Even me, personally, I would love to go to Jamaica just to experience that different environment, a different culture. I believe they have diverse culture that anyone would love to experience. Their music. In Africa, almost everyone loves Jamaican music. That's why I keep saying we cannot compare Jamaica to Africa, because Jamaica has a lot to offer as well as Africa has a lot to offer. Jamaica is known for producing fastest sprinters. Good example, Usain Bolt. Africa, on the other hand, has so many countries, and within these countries, they are divided into tribes, and each tribe has their own unique culture. Kenya is known for producing the best athletes. Like we have Kipchoge. It's also a tourist attraction nation. We have wildlife. There's just a lot that Africa has to offer. Tanzania is known for wildlife. It's a tourist attraction nation. In Africa, just like Jamaica, we do have beaches, which anyone would love to come during their free time to just tour around, experience the atmosphere. So there is a lot that Jamaica can offer. There is a lot that Africa has to offer. I remember that Haile Selassie was a Rastafarian, and Rastafarian it's a movement in Jamaica. It's a religious movement in Jamaica, and we all know that Haile Selassie came from Ethiopia. He was an emperor in Ethiopia, but he became a Rastafarian, meaning we are connected with Jamaicans. And where is Ethiopia? Ethiopia is in Africa. It's a country found in Africa. So the reason why we cannot compare Jamaica with Africa, it's because Jamaica is our very own flesh and blood. Remember Bob Marley? Bob Marley was Jamaican. He used to fight he fought for African unity and freedom through music. He wasn't African, he was Jamaican, but still fought for Africans. He thought Africans were oppressed, and he used music to fight for their freedom. He was also a Rastafarian, Jamaican religious movement, which Haile Selassie was also into. He also visited Haile Selassie before he passed on, and he even got baptized back here in Africa. So what I'm trying to say is Jamaica and Africa are connected. They cannot be separated through comparison. There's unique traits that Jamaica have that they took from Africa. And there's what that Africans still borrow from Jamaica. There's a lot that Jamaica has done that Africa emulates. Most Africans have relocated to Jamaica. They've settled there. Some people have gone there and started good careers, professions, because we are one. The list is endless. Jamaica is unique on its own way, as well as Africa is unique on its own way. But these two cannot be compared in terms of which one is better than the other. Jamaica and Africa are one. We are connected by blood. Spiritually, we are connected.